Today I'm going to be showing you the first steps of creating a stuffed paper owl like the one here. So you could see it's made from two pieces of paper. They are sewn together, and on the inside there's actually newspaper. I'm not sure if you could see that, but there it is. I do this project over usually 3 or 4 classes because our classes are 45 minutes. So you're going to see this tutorial in segments. Okay, so I'm going to move this guy out of the way, and what I need right now is 2 pieces of manila paper. It's like an oak, not oak tag, but it's called manila paper. Mine are 8 by 10, and I'm going to go ahead place them on top of each other. So there's 2 on top of each other. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a triangle, big giant triangle in the corner at the top over here. So at each corner at the top, I'm going to connect it with a rounded line, and then I'm going to make a giant U, and I'm going to connect it. What shape is that? It's the shape of an owl. Good, 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 good. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to cut these out together. This is an important step. So you see I have these 2 pieces of paper. So today is a lot of practicing. Okay, so eyes on the screen as I show you. So you're cutting both pieces of paper together. Do you see they're together? So how many pieces of paper are going to come out when we're all finished? Say it together.
2.
That's right, because you guys are so smart. That's right, and they're going to be the same, so you have to cut them at the same time. You do have to hold it with a steady hand. Okay, and this takes a little bit of practice, so I'll be here to help you if you would like some help. And what we're doing is we're cutting on the line, and sometimes I make a train noise. I go chugga 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 choo choo. Can you guys do that with me and help me? Good. Now help me stay on track with my cutting. So when you're cutting, you want to stay very focused. Okay, I'm done cutting and I've made all this garbage. What should I do now?
Put it in the trash.
Right. I'm going to go ahead and put my garbage in the trash. So once you have your owl cut out, you're going to have 2 owls. Let's just make sure. There's still 2 here, right? 2. Okay, perfect. I put them together. They should be exactly the same. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to staple the bottom. I'll come around and staple for you folks. For you folks. Okay?
You get into selling out of folks' notes?
I don't know about that one. All right, you guys ready? So I've got my owl. So what should I put on it first? What should I do? The eyes. That's right. The eyes are going to be 2 giant circles. 1. Oh, you can make it your own way. I'm going to do it my way. You can do yours your way. Okay? And there'll be a lot of opportunities to make these how you wish. You're not going to be using a marker. Instead, you're going to be using a pencil. I'm using a marker so that you could see it well on my screen.
Because it never shows me.
Yeah, it's just hard to see for you guys when I do things in pencil.
Kind of looks creepy.
Yeah. Yeah, you can make them cute eyes if you like. All right, for the nose, it's going to be something called an inverted triangle or a carrot shape. Inverted just means upside down. Okay? All right. And now I'm going to put the outer shape. It's kind of a heart shape. I would say so. Okay. Yeah, they do. Can you put little eyelashes if you want? Sure. Hey, I want to show you some different decoration styles that you can do now. Can you put some fun decoration around the outer shape here? Does it have to be just like mine? No. All right. So for mine, I think what I'm going to do is put some lines like this. Do you have to put lines like mine? No, you can decorate in your own way. Make it your own. Okay, next thing though that we all have to do is put feathers. We're gonna put feathers all around.
Can you do whatever eyes you want?
You sure can. You should make them big though.
Can you make whatever animal
Well, we're all making an owl.
Miss Stelliano.
Yep.
We add sunglasses to our owl. I want glasses.
Let's not do that because we want these to look more natural. Yeah.
That's not natural. Can you bring them in the face?
Sure can. Or maybe they'll be at your art show. I'm hoping that these can be at your art show. I'm not sure if we'll be done with them in time. So there's a lot more feathers I want to put around my picture. All right, now I got the whole back. What do you think I'm going to put on the back?
Oh, feathers. Feathers.
That's right. What a bunch of smarties. So I did my whole front. And you really, really want to fill this. And now I'm going to flip it over. Now it opens like this. Do you see that? But we're going to leave the inside empty. That's where we're going to stuff it later. Oh, I forgot to put my name. I'm going to put my name at the top. And my class code is 2W. Okay. And on the back, I'm going to fill it with more feathers. Do you see my feathers are kind of all over the place? It's not like rows of feathers. There's some here, there's some there. Some are larger, some are smaller. I'm making mine really large because I feel like I want you guys to get started right away. And if I make them too tiny, then you guys are going to be sitting here watching me make a lot of feathers for a long time. So for you guys, I'm going to make these bigger. But you guys can make yours smaller if you wish. All right, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and turn off our video in 3 seconds, and I'll have you guys say a quick goodbye. Go ahead.
Goodbye.